Seafood tools are essential for any seafood lover who wants to enjoy their favorite dishes without struggling to crack open shells or remove bones. There are many products available to choose seafood tools, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best seafood tools from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Hiware 20-Piece Seafood Tool Set. The Hiware 20-Piece Seafood Tool Set is a must-have for any seafood lover's kitchen. This professional set includes 6 crab crackers, 6 lobster shellers, 6 crab leg forks picks, 2 seafood scissors, and 1 cotton storage case. Made of heavy-duty and durable materials, this set is safe, mess-free, and dishwasher-safe. It is perfect for eating whole lobster and crab without worrying about the waste. This versatile and beautiful seafood tool set makes an ideal gift for housewarming parties, Thanksgiving, Christmas, or birthdays. Number 2. Seafood Tool Set includes 4 crab crackers. The 17-piece seafood tool set includes 4 crab crackers, 4 seafood forks, 4 lobster crackers, 4 seafood scissors nutcrackers, and a storage bag. The set boasts a sleek and ergonomic design that is durable, corrosion-resistant, and stronger. This must-have kit makes your lobster dinner a breeze and is perfect for any kitchen, restaurant, or party. Hand wash is recommended, and the set is dishwasher safe. Number 3. Toadfish Crab and Lobster Seafood Tool Sets. Enjoy the Toadfish Seafood Tool Set, a must-have for seafood lovers. This set includes 2 shell crackers with cutters and 4 multi-use forks, all in a stylish toadfish package. The serrated cutters and forks help you access your favorite seafood quickly and cleanly. The non-slip grips ensure a secure hold, even with slippery hands. Impress your friends by bringing this set to beach parties or host your own seafood feast. Plus, each tool features a built-in bottle opener for added convenience. 4-person seafood tool set. Hiware Seafood Tool Set is a professional kit that includes 2 crab crackers, 4 lobster shellers, 4 crab leg forks picks, and 1 seafood scissors. The zinc alloy crackers are heavy-duty and durable, ensuring they can handle significant pressure. The stainless steel tools are safe to use with anti-slip grooves and ergonomic handles. The set is designed to make eating whole lobster and crab a mess-free experience, ensuring you can enjoy every bite without waste. It's a perfect gift for seafood lovers and a stylish addition to any kitchen. Number 5. 10-Piece Seafood Tool Set. Introducing the Zogun W Seafood Tool Set, a must-have for any seafood lover. This set includes 2 lobster crab crackers, 2 red lobster picks knife, 4 stainless steel seafood forks, 2 seafood scissors, and a nice drawstring bag. The crackers are made of die-cast zinc alloy, while the seafood forks picks are made of stainless steel. The red lobster picks knife is made of food-grade plastic. These essential tools are perfect for eating crab, lobster, shellfish, oysters, and more. The enhanced thicker cracker and fork set fits any type of seafood shellfish and is also suitable for nutcrackers, walnut, almond, pecan cracker, or beer cap. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.